Hi guys, you're welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video I want us to talk about this particular pie. In this video I'm going to be sharing my experience with pie, and I'm also going to be showing you how to buy pie as a complete beginner. So if that's what you're really interested in, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Let's dive right in. See me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Right here I actually test different side hustles and I come down here and I talk about it. So if you're interested to get more information from me, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that once I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you and you're going to be the first person to watch. And make sure you do well to join my Telegram community so that I can keep getting more information from me. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below. So guys, let's get right into it. Pi was launched on the 20th of February, which is last month. And the thing is that a lot of people have been making this thing look as if you don't buy Pi, you'll be so broke and frustrated. I really don't know why they are making it look like that. It's not everybody that actually mine Pi. Some people started mining Pi since 2019, some mine 2020, some mine 2021. But for me, to be honest with you, I did not mine Pi. I have close friends that actually mine Pi, and right now they are making it look as if you don't have Pi, that your life is over. But that's not true, because you can actually buy pies even if you were not able to mine it. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how I bought Pi, and I'm going to be sharing my personal experience with this particular token. This is a clear warning and a total disclaimer. The content in this video might be considered harmful or dangerous content, but note that this video is intended for educational purposes. I'm doing this video for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. That's a total disclaimer, and this is just to raise an awareness. Also note that any money online required risk. If you're ready to take the risk, well, you can go ahead and start. And also note that there are affiliate links in the comment section and in the description of this particular video, and if you are to click on these links, I might earn a commission from that, but that does not affect the viewer in any way. If you want to buy Pi, you have to know that there are two crypto wallets that actually allow you to buy Pi, best of my knowledge. If there's any other one, you can let me know in the comment section. Now the first one is actually OKX, and unfortunately for me, or for us living in Nigeria, OKX is not available in Nigeria. Second one is called bitget. Bitget can also help you to buy Pi, and that is what I want to show you, how you can use bitget to buy Pi. Search for the bitget app. That is the first thing we are going to be doing right now. So just come down to Google Play Store and search for bitget, Bitcoin and crypto trading. I think it should be a nice crypto wallet because I've been using it. But if you'll be using this app and you have any issues with it, well, kindly let us know in the comment section. Please, a little tip. Before I registered my account, it took me a lot of days because I was so ignorant and I was actually in a rush to buy Pi. So I was so ignorant and it almost cost me a lot. Another problem is the verification. You have to verify your email address, verify your mobile phone number, verify your identity to register your account and verify your account. So sometimes it might take you 2 days, but for me it took me 1 week. So how can you really buy Pi? Now another mistake I made, I tried to convert my USDT to Pi and it was not really working out. I bought another Pi by then at the rate of $2.3. I bought over 150 Pi, I think so, yes, at the rate of $2.3. So first of all, I want to show you guys how I did it. After that, I'm going to be showing you guys the other Pis I bought. The thing I actually did was that I converted some Naira to dollars before I tried this. I converted over 600k. I bought this USDT on Bybit, you understand? Now the reason why I did not buy it from bitget is simply because I was not able to buy from P2P because I did not verify my phone number by then. Then I transferred from Bybit to my bitget account. The seller sent the details, I make the payment, and after making the payment, after a while, they actually released the crypto into my wallet, and you can see 300 USDT I deposited actually entered my account. That the price back then was actually 2.3. I put the amount I wanted to buy, and the Pi was actually successfully purchased. You understand? You can see this is how I actually bought my second Pi. Over $348 that I bought this Pi. So this is how you actually buy Pi, but I'm still going to show you again. I'm just trying to share my experience with you guys. So Pi went from $2.3, Pi dropped to $1.9. I lost a lot of money. That's why you need to understand that the crypto market is very risky. So If you're not ready to take the risk, well, I don't think you should try. I bought Pi again. I bought another Pi. I bought Pi at 1.5 again. Guess what happened? Pi dropped from $1.5 to 1.2. So after a few days or after 1 week, Pi went up back from $1.2 to 1.7. So that was when I did this particular video you're seeing right here. And the thing there is that I did not really sell at that 1.7. That was another mistake I made, and I waited. I saw that Pi is dropping to 1.6. I actually sold my Pi. I did not make a lot of profit. I made $6 profit, but at least I did not really make a loss. You understand? Guess what? I bought another Pi at 0.9. Pi went from 0.9 to 1.1, 1.2. Another mistake I made. I wish I knew I was supposed to sell my Pi by that time. Okay, since price like this, maybe it's going to get to 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 so that I can sell and recover some of my money back. The price you're seeing on my screen right now is actually 0.8 USDT for one Pi. When Pi went from 0.9 to 1.1, I supposed to sell it. I want to show you how to buy Pi. Let me take it slowly so that you can see. What you're seeing at the top here is not Pi. Click on that icon and this page will open. Search for Pi right here and it's going to come up. You can see right here and you can search for it. Not just Pi, any other crypto coin you want to buy. You can decide to buy, you can decide to sell. So click on buy and come here, put the quantity. 200 Pi right now, it costs only $168. This is so bad. Imagine me spending over $348 to buy Pi at the rate of $2.3, and Pi dropped to this amount. Just come down here and click on buy and you are going to buy this. Next thing right here is sell. Click on sell if you want to sell your Pi. You see the same thing. So download the bitget app. Once you download the app, register your account. Once you register, verify your account. Once you verify your wallet, come down here, deposit your wallet, or you buy USDT from their P2P. As it stands now, I've really lost a lot of money. You can just do me one favor. Make sure you like and share this video to a friend, to a family member, or to your colleague, guys. Anyways, tell me what you think in the comments below. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.